Do you want to refer a friend to Zen? Maybe it's a family member, a neighbour, or even the postman. All you need to do is go to this link here, zen.co.uk/refer-a-friend, and you'll be greeted by this screen. And then simply click on the Got Someone in Mind button and complete your details. And just like that, you'll have your own personal link to share with whoever you feel deserves award-winning broadband. Did I mention you'll both get a voucher? I'll come back to that in just a sec. Once your friend has clicked on the link, all they need to do is register their email address and then place their order. Just make sure they are using the same email address that they've just registered. Once the service goes live, you'll receive an email containing a link to a redeemable voucher. Now, we recommend you redeem this voucher as soon as possible, as there is an expiry date on these. Once you've redeemed the voucher against one of the many main retailers available, the expiry date of that voucher will become whatever is standard for that retailer. So we recommend you double check their terms and conditions. There's no limit on how many friends you can refer. So if you have your entire bingo club, or whether it's just you have a big family, or however many people you want to refer, there is no limit whatsoever. So feel free to refer as many as you want, and each time both you and the person you're referring will receive vouchers. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please click on that like button below. If you want to see more videos like this, please click on that subscribe button. But until next time, thank you very much.